Palava woman we put poison inside Masai chop for that side, so for Newton Ariopon. We go enter back for that palava this afternoon. We talk in the proper morning time. We'll be just throwing a throwaway this afternoon. We go tell on the Tori as we pass. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for the way we dirty. It flop plenty for inside Douala here. We go turn back for that side for forever. For talk say no nothing never so happen. And even market sell for that side. So we train in the past for Douala. They call them na market for right. That side too. Palava doti. AC so they. Sabi say I saw the talk chapter for market. Tomato wey if you don't fetch cheap now, so you want buy tomato, it been a big thing for you. If you no get plenty money, you no go fit for buy tomato as well if you don't fetch cheap before. That time when they be love butter, then so tomato if you over cheap for this side now, people they cry say it don't over there again for market. All this story then so we go talk plus even one with newspaper they talk. We go try for bring am for now for this afternoon. Big part talk. It tell we say back for chuku beef a strong, but you no fit use commod beef for your mop. I say back for chuku beef a strong, but you no fit use for commod beef for your teeth. Now Isidore Nzimbui Ntungwe for Angola man for Muya. Now he saying with big part talk this afternoon. I the turn back some more time. Make una come good. Good afternoon, so country people them. Na Tori for Equinox Tori House. As so we promise una. We turn back for inside the Kanatori. We pass for Douala here. For under Douala 3. Now for the New Town Ariopor 1 a day. Now quarter for inside Douala 3, so country people. Make we enter for that place. We talk the Tori now in the proper. For tell na population that way be common yesterday for inside New Town Ariopor 1. Under Douala 3 council place. Now for the way population come out, all the population they no come now for Sika say they be one seen as gendarme, or they no come now for Sika say some gando the pass for day. Thing where the pass for ye way population a common as say waiting. That house where they see and so now for the way they don't put that woman way he put poison for inside a mass I chop for inside. Yes, now for inside that house. Wetin happen and the mass die body be there for inside that church house so where you see am. Yes, now for the way mass die body e be there. Waiting pass for inside the chapter say call the people that chop and that pussy where he die so now chop where he dey so woman put poison for inside. Then massa chop he die, pussy to chop he die. Now where population come out say he want knock that man. Yes, population it be come out say they want hold that woman a hold am one time. Fini with it. They say the woman in the vex as well massa when a driver for moto if you want go carry number 2 woman for that side so from Gaundere country people. Now why that way gendarme people they be there plenty. I say gendarme, big man for gendarme from Kululu where they call it say Oga Alois Abega. All they be there with Lamboy them for say waiting. Make the population no vex so te catch that woman he kill am. The woman no be like and say make massa go take number 2 woman. Yes, he no be like am. Now Commandant Alois Sesegwe he be there with the Lamboy them for say make he look at the place. Woman talk say massa if he want go take number 2 woman, it means say now one for kill it. So now for Sika number 2 woman, where woman he put poison inside massa chop, massa die. Now we go left pikin for man wey die. He talk, then we go live on see the story as we pass.
Morning time, they call me say my pa is sick. I ask them say what happened. They tell me say it vomit, but not spit, not be na chop. I tell them say me them bring you hospital because I dey for hospital. They come hospital, check and tell me say you don't get infarctus. I don't know how to talk infarctus, but I don't know how to talk infarctus, but they go make scanner and for scanner where you don't die.
So, country people them now they picking that for that man where die where they put waiting poison inside each chop. So, this other side for story we go show now. Now go talk say ambassador you don't talk. One day they no be saying for money time. They go ask and say who side the woman where he put poison for inside mass I chop. The first one I go see her. na as well they bring you for this side. Sabi say ambassador e be comot for outside with passenger number how many? E be 575 or 237 no. Sabi say na Innocent Abega and ambassador they comot. So 2 eye they be there. The first eye una go see as well e pass. The second eye una go see how they put the woman inside motor. So make una should don quiet. Una sit we will see am. That one na the number 1 eye. Number 2 eye where Innocent Abega be put on for some different side. Make una see am. So, con the people them na the thing that we pass, so talk that man we die with the call am say Labaran, they get for bury today. If big man, he talks say me they bury him, but Sabi say this chapter I never finish. As with that woman, they don't take you already for gendarme. Maybe after I go come out for gendarme, a new house, he go be now for that side for Kondengi. So, now so this chapter pass for second number 2 woman, Massa, he don't die, we he never fit for go take number 2 woman. We go left that chapter for Palava love him. We enter for chapter for Dirty for inside country, so country people them. Sabi say country the one go now for before. Nkunkuma don't talk say 2035 we must to go for before. Correct country the day where they get two company them for inside for any kind of thing so that if he help say make competition a day, all man he show his best. But population for that side for forever for inside Douala 4. Now for Bonaberi side they country people they vex. They vex now for Sika waiting. Dirty eternal for that before. Yes, dirty eternal for all corner for inside that side where they call them say forever country people them. Now for Sika waiting, no man in no fit talk. But Sabi say company they way they carry dirty. And this company, organ governor delegates, Ntone is Sabi how we did thing get for pass. And for plenty time, apart from saying that forever we don't enter for the country people them, where dirty they never come out them. Other places for Douala all the time them. Dirty it don't the over plenty. Dirty it don't the come out until the people they say they cry and say which kind of country they dey. Why company where they get for carry dirty, you know they carry dirty. Work people they don't go. Or na say na money where they never pay work people them. Big question for inside the chapter. So where they talk say Cameroon again for go for before for 2035. So for inside that side, so for Douala for Nadim could go for that side for market for Ryan for talk say even themselves they hear bad. I say people them for inside market where they the same market they make business. See how my mission done. See how dirty day. I say now so dirty and business people. They fight that space for inside market. See how mommy go for go pick pepper. You see him? He go for go wash the pepper for inside that water. Man no even sabi say the water the pass. Whether na how the water they will eat the pick pepper wash up. Then Innocent Nadine he go market go buy the same pepper. He go buy the same pepper carry and go as go cook chop. And now for Sika say waiting. Market people they hear bad. Market for rye they hear bad. Dirty he don't chop all corner for market. I say dirty he don't chop all corner for market. Dirty and Bine people they divide na space. Bine man he the one trouble say make he push dirty he go for up. Dirty he the only come na for ground. I say dirty he the only come na for ground. Now for Sika waiting company where he get for can carry dirty he dey like say they don't tire work. And when they tire work, Ngomna know the tongue know nothing. Ngomna the she don't quiet. After all, now only the company dey. If they talk anything bad for the company go vex, no go do work again. If true one go for before for 2035, we begin forget 2 company them where they go to do called dirty. See dirty, see how they put binet. You see am? No place, no different, no small space, no deserve. Dirty the small time dirty go move binet put them for game. Yes, small time dirty it go move binet people them for game. And the one no be na thing wey we like and for the country. Small time they go talk say Cameroon it go happen 2019 Mandamba. Na the kind of dirty una want to say me train that they can see am. Eh? Na the kind of dirty una the want to say me train that they can see am. You go buy fish, fly it don't shit fine on top all fish. You no go fit for chop fish you dey fine. See dirty, see bina people them. Now which kind of punishment? 2035 Nkunkuma, USSF check it in. 2035 if you so get na one company for the look of all thing there for inside Cameroon, that 2035 will not go for before. I'm not sure whether we will go for before. Bineman talk something.
Marché de rail. We should not for inside market. Poubelle don't come meet we. We don't know how we do. Poubelle we don't flop so they it pass we. It is verse for we. It is give we order. We the cup. We don't know how we chop. We fish down. We breathe sub air, fine air. It intoxicate we. So no, the big say the delegate government community may come hell we dégager des poubelles non commençant au simple fish down au say au small market.
We be talk Chief Robert Mukube we na ISSB be our man for downside from Bonaberry. Chief Robert Mukube he be put in microphone so for some Bine woman in mob. Make we hear what the Bine woman he talk for Chief Robert Mukube in microphone.
Baba don't pass we there for year we manage small Gary for send picking them for school. But dirty don't flop so take and enter so take for cap where would say. We say we there for market we not fit buy chop. Would it come someday? They don't throw away dirty so take and flop for cap where would you say. We not fish it down. Run the farm to the worker come meet for contour. Would it beg woman say if you hear like we for the matter where we there for inside so over hell to take we be people they may not throw away we there for suffer. Dirty they can't keep for market the right. Baba don't.
Very good. And just for Sabi say any palaver way the pass for that side for Bonaberry, you meet up Chief Robert Mukube one time. It be my eye for that side. For inside this side, they do. You meet up Chief with this man that they call it everything. Ebule Steve, you call it be my eye. Ash test SSF, it day too for our side. Just find them. They go see as well we go work this chapter. Now for say make country, it go now only for before con the people them. Now so make we land for that side for Boya. We enter for university for Cadley people them for inside Boya side them where it dey so it be then at that big gando for show people them waiting school picking them for inside they be fit for do Roland Kwemen and Senator Mbela Mukichas we all them the dinner for inside that chapter they be part of this big gando way be then say make the people them they sabi say picking them for inside that university for Cadley people them they do correct work so it be then at their own big day open door or trade fair so they call them we picking they show waiting where they don't learn them sabi say na school where they teach picking them and they want and say make picking them too they use their head no be na only thing where they teach them for class but they want and say make they picking themselves they sabi for use their head for inside the chapter but sabi say Roland Kwemen he say be don't be na the first black man for she done for inside some big association Senator Mbela Mukichas no man he know the sabi who he dey but na person to way he get hand to for inside that side so now the school picking them that for Cali University where they be try for show where they don't teach them and where they don't use their heads for inside chapter for book put them for ground so it be then a big day for inside that side so make we hear way president for Catholic University for that side so for Boya Father Josh Nkeze he talk for this their palaver for show picking them waiting where they fit do.
And I want to say I be glad because some new study don't show say for succeed for life now for succeed for life for get work the sense where you get them now only 10% will give work. Do we need that now how you do yourself for character and how you present yourself and how you get your network. When you get that one, it adds to your job career. So I'm telling you, say your exposure to the 30%. So this study the way they want to do now, it shows say we must change the way we do education in Cameroon. And are you this trade fair? Now one of the ways that we start to expose speaking into creativity, innovation, which are the way forward now for education. So at the glad for talk say for CIB, at the glad so we begin them, they take that lead. Say we must change the way we do education because the study shows say if your picking go pass exam, the chance for you to succeed for get job or for succeed for life, only 10%. I'll be happy for this wonderful trade fair we will get that.
So, now Reverend Father George Nkezeda to be president for Catholic University for that side, so for Boya. We go take on now, we go for that side, so from Banga, and Sabise from Banga side, with the talk chapter for school where it don't start. Yes, school it don't start for that side from Banga. But just for talk, with the one talk palava this chapter for people the way they run go from Banga country people them. According to Tori we enter for we here for that side, so from Banga, plenty of the people the way they be come out for Ediki village where they be there from Banga. Plenty of them they don't turn them back, but according to the two way they try for Tewi, they try for Tewi say picking the way they don't people there they don't come out. Mostly now people the way they get people there for outside where they don't come take them come out. Now it means say they never solely turn back for Ediki. Sabi say the people they be wrong come out for Ediki last Friday for Sika Gunway be the Halam for that side. But the Tori enter for we EM and the Tewi say at least plenty of them they don't come out for there. Make we take una now so enter for inside market. Nadine would take people them go for inside market for talk palava for tomato. They sabi say na so we for inside Tori house will be Chakara Tori for talk palava say this tomato one at the Siam it be fed cheap for inside Wala here. The tomato be fair cheap for inside Walaye country people them. That time we border they be locked, but according to which will enter back for inside market Siam. Now so for buy one tomato, I say for buy tomato for inside market. If you no turn up fine, like a money no day for your skin, you know if you buy tomato again for inside market. Now, according to investigate that, we will be enter for inside market for go investigate. All people the way they say inside tomato chapter, they try for talk say tomato, it don't die again. As way people them, they don't start sell the tomato back for outside. Sabi say before last year, we be done the talk. Plenty people them, they no be fit for come out outside. As way they be lock border then. So tomato be dey suck for all market for Douala year. But now so Bine people them they complain say the tomato it don't start there again after we they open border them plenty. So now the small story then that's all we see for inside country here for today. Country people them una sabi say uday na for say make we continue for nag the story in the proper. Make we enter for way to newspaper then talk guides and post way day for outside this time. And they ask na big question whether this come be way Nkunkuma they make with people there they don't owe plenty na Kasingo they give them or na compensate they give them compensate. Now the big question that's where the guides and post he asks and so for this time. So for inside the guidance post, they try for tell we say waiting. Say big people them for political party for inside country, they don't turn up for Oga Atanganji Paul he hate. Now for Sika waiting. They say they know Osabisa way money where they begin for senator vote, it don't pass. So say party people them, they don't turn up for Oga Atanganji hate for Sika the chapter for money. Now so today they tell we as way some big pastor, he don't talk say waiting. Say na Samuel Eto'o, he go be the next Oga for inside Cameroon, according to their big pastor. They tell you to say Atanganakuna, that man where they be catch put it from Gatam for Sika Magu for inside Gomna money. He says he don't start sick, only way never over she don't find for inside Kondengi. Other story the day where the guardian post way day for aside, he carry him for his skin. Make we enter now so for the horizon where it did to for outside country people them the horizon where they for outside they try for tell we say waiting palava vote or palava senator them according to where horizon it talk they say democracy for inside Cameroon na not. I say democracy for inside Cameroon na not. Now for Sika where the horizon it get for talk that chapter now for Sika where Nkunkuma do after where he get appoint for senator them even one person for SDF, it no begin appoint. So for inside the horizon, you go read some story where they try for talk say for that side, so for Momo division, now for Norway's, now woman them, they don't start the turn up for before, for Sika waiting. They say now they don't turn up for before, for all kind political chapter them, for inside Momo. Inside the same chapter for the horizon, you go read Tori and Gomna, it don't talk say it get for start count all people there they work under it. For Sika say someone the day way, it day like say they work, but they know they work. Other strong tori them, even one them from for Tabetandom, a day for inside the horizon, where it come out for outside today. So, can people them na the tori them that's all gather for now for this afternoon, and with this also talk for now. If you dey for on top table, make you chop your chop fine. Ambassador Day for so fine on a tori. We want say big thank you for all the people them. I say all the people that way they join hand for say make tori waka fine. We get Robert Mukube, Chief. We get Steve Ebule. We get Ash Tese. All them they dinner for inside Douala here. Jackie no Molom day for that side for Loom and Kupe Maningoba. Need to forget to now. We on a day for that side for Kumbam. Where they call you Ogalai, Derek Jato for Boya, and David Simaimo. You day for Limbe. Big thank you for all now the join hands and make things the waka fine. We go meet up for some time. On a whole am tight.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte.